Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. Today I will be continuing my autumn series. I just love fall, and I will be working on a dark green, brown, reddish base. And as well, I have very exciting news because I've set the date for my botanical abstract painting course. It's coming out next week, Sunday, and it will be all about this style on primed canvas and on raw canvas. I show my full creative process from start to finish, and I can't wait to launch this course. But without further ado, let's start creating this autumn painting. Big brush. Let's start with the big brush. I'm feeling it today. First, I want to cover this full background, and I was thinking for composition, I love those hanging leaves. Oh, yeah. Ooh. So let's just drop a couple of colors and start covering this canvas. Green, some browns, and I think I will be using some gold too. This is a very cool background to start working with. Very cool. Really, really liking it. Enjoying this color palette, and I love that it's here softer and here darker. don't know how I will be able to start stopping with this color palette once fall is over. I'm so enjoying these colors. All right, I will start adding some contrast, some white, and let's see where everything goes. I know a lot of you hate it when there are drops. I don't mind. Yeah, I'm kind of enjoying this, how it is. There's a light source there, a lot of darkness here. This is one of the darkest paintings I've ever created, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm just looking at this painting and I don't know if I want to do a lot more. Maybe a little bit more vibrant yellow. More vibrant yellow lines. You know what? I think I'm gonna call this a day. I'm loving the gold. Maybe you don't see it, but it really brings out contrast in this painting. And I can't wait to see how this dries and if it needs some more contrast then. But I'm kind of feeling this dark autumnness. It's moody, it's dramatic, it's everything that I feel right now. It's been raining here for a couple of weeks. This is the autumn blues. There is a lot of gold in this piece and it's really, really sparkling. I have a hard time to capture that on camera, but I hope you see the pops of gold in this piece. Maybe there's something lacking, a little bit of contrast, but I will let this be for now and revisit it later. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, next week, the 19th of November, my course is coming out and I couldn't be more excited. I'll see you then.